Hi, it's Kerry. Today we visit my farm and talk about the animals. There are some new birds and cats. Give a thumbs up if you like farm animals. There is a fun ending today when the hare decides to have some fun with a tractor. Can you tell me how many piglets in today's video? And please remember to subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. The classic sow with piglets. She's got 4 little piglets there. A baby pig or piglet weighs about 1.5 kilograms at birth and will double its weight in just 7 days. Pigs are very clean animals. She looks very content there. The Sulphur-crested cockatoo is probably Australia's best known parrot. These birds are often kept as pets as they are extremely intelligent and are very good at learning to talk. Mid-morning they usually feed on seeds on the ground, then during the day they sit in the trees stripping the leaves and bark. The parakeet is also known as a budgerigar or budgie. It's a type of long-tailed parrot that belongs to the family of tree parrots. It has nearly 3,000 feathers. Females like to chew things while males like to talk. The Hungarian pig looks much like a sheep with its hairy-looking fleece. It has a thick coat of curly fur. It was originally bred for its lard or fat. With their warm woolly coats, the Hungarian pig can live outdoors all year long. As the pigs age, the fat content of the meat rises. Quite a cute looking pig there. This is my favourite pig at the moment. This is quite a pretty pig. It's a Hampshire Sow. It's a good-tempered breed and it's distinguished by its erect ears and black body with a whitish-pinkish band around the middle and covering the front legs, as you can see. They are bred for their meat. The sows make caring mothers. The pig's snout is the most important tool for sensing what is around them and for finding food. And the Hampshire Piglet, so gorgeous. The breed originated in Hampshire in the United Kingdom. Such a little cutie. The billy goat. A male goat is called a buck or billy goat. They are herbivores. They have very sharp teeth and can demolish any type of vegetation very quickly. This would include your vegetable gardens, any flowering plants and bushes. Their favourite food is grass. They have even been known to eat the washing hanging on a line. The nanny goat is the female goat. Goat's milk is prized for making cheese. They have beards or tassels under the chin and live in herds. Every herd has a pack leader. Goats are rather smelly due to a musk gland on the back of their head. Goats are strong-bodied mammals with horns and cloven hooves. The peacock. The male's long feathers are called a train and can grow to 6 feet or 1.8 meters long. The large train is used in mating rituals and courtship displays. It could be arched into a magnificent fan that reaches across the bird's back and touches the ground on either side. Females are believed to choose their mates according to the size, colour and the quality of these amazing feather displays. Peacocks are ground feeders and eat insects, plants and small creatures. The Provence donkey is a breed of domestic donkey from Provence in southeastern France. They have been used by shepherds as a pack animal and to move flocks of sheep between their summer pastures on the high Alps to the lower winter grounds. Males are called jacks and females jennies. The feet, with rather wide hooves for those of a donkey, are perfectly adapted for trekking and heavy weights. Donkeys make a loud braying hee-haw noise that goes on for several seconds. They like to eat grains and grass. Notice the donkey foal. Notice the darker dorsal stripe and shoulder stripe in the shape of a cross. The foal is amazing. It can stand just 30 minutes after birth. The females give birth to a new foal each year. Donkeys are sometimes known as asses and are related to horses, ponies and zebras, but have much larger ears. Notice the white around the eyes. This is a hare. Hares are similar to rabbits and are usually larger than rabbits and have longer ears. They give birth in more open areas where rabbits give birth to their young in a burrow. Hares are born with fur and their eyes open, and this guy is quite a handful. You'll see later on in the fun ending what he gets up to. The Brahman Bull. The Brahman breed are the sacred breed of India and are very hardy and adaptable to a wide range of feed and climate. They are large-bodied with a hump on their back where their neck ends. They have a small head with a broad forehead. The ears are large and drop downwards, and the muzzle is black. They're easily recognised by the excess skin on the neck, throat and underbelly. The Brahman Cow. This breed has a dark skin which prevents their skin being affected by sunlight, and the short, thick, glossy coat helps reflect the sun's rays. They have sweat glands and are able to withstand extreme heat. They have panoramic vision and a superior sense of smell. The Brahman Calf. You can still see the folds of skin underneath the neck there, even in a very young one. A Brahman cow gives milk for the first time after giving birth to a calf. Such a lovely face, and I love those downward turning ears. The white swan and her 3 little cygnets. A male swan is called a cob and a female swan is called a pen. Baby swans are called cygnets and stay with their mother for the first 6 months of life. The swan is one of the largest, fastest swimming and fastest flying waterfowl and one of the longest living birds in general. It has 25,000 feathers. The Mallard Duck. The male mallard has a green glossy head, grey wings and belly, while the female has a brown speckled plumage. A male duck is called a drake, a female duck a hen. Ducks are omnivores, feeding on aquatic plants, small fish, grubs, worms and insects. This is my female duck pecking away. She is a brown mottled colour to blend in with the undergrowth. All ducks have highly waterproof feathers due to the feathers' interlocking nature and waxy coating. She looks very hungry today. The cat. Our cats like hunting mice and rats. When they're not hunting or playing, they sleep for an average of 13 hours a day. I like the pose on this little one and that little uplifted paw there. So cute. They can be lethal hunters and very sneaky. When they walk, their back paws step almost exactly into the same place as their front paws did beforehand. This keeps noise to a minimum and limits visible tracks. The kittens. Domestic cats love to play. This is especially true with kittens who love to chase toys and play fight. Play fighting among kittens may be a way for them to practice and learn skills for hunting and fighting that they will need later. Cats spend a large amount of time licking their coats to keep them clean. They have powerful night vision, allowing them to see at light levels 6 times lower than what we would need. They also have excellent hearing and a powerful sense of smell. I love those eyes. The Australian cattle dog, or blue heeler. The heeler name comes from the fact that the dogs were bred to herd cattle by nipping at their heels. It's an extremely intelligent, active and strong dog. It was bred by the Australian settlers to handle herds of cattle on very large farms. Nipping and biting is a natural instinct and it needs to be properly trained. The black-faced Suffolk sheep. They originated from Suffolk in England. It's an animal which has a thick coat of fleece on its body. Sheep have hooves that are divided into 2 toes. They do well in wet conditions with its hard black feet. They have a gland between their toes. They produce wool for tweeds, carpets and mattresses. It's quite a coarse wool. Not really for making jumpers. The black sheep. In most sheep, the white fleece is a dominant gene that actively switches colour production off. A recessive gene causes the black coloration. These sheep stand out in the flock and their wool was traditionally considered less valuable because it can't be dyed different colours. Very popular for craft work though these days. The Shropshire Sheep. They have no horns. They are bred for their wool and meat. They are able to adapt to all kinds of pasture land, variable climate and have quite oily wool. They have wool from the tip of their nose to the tip of their toes. The fleece is dense and elastic to the touch and good quality. They originated from Shropshire in England. The Shropshire Lamb, such a cutie. Shropshire Lambs are hardy, strong and vigorous and grow very quickly. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more great videos. See you again soon. Remember, we've got a fun ending today when that hare gets up to some mischief with the tractor. And remember to tell me how many piglets in today's video. subscribe, click on the colourful super fun reviews button. To watch any of the videos, just choose the one you want. Thanks again for watching, and remember to subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.